Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In previous video we had learned how to apply filters, and in the very first video we learned how to apply sum. Now in this video we are going to apply or learn to apply a formula called subtotal, and I will show you why subtotal formula is useful. Now let me first apply that formula. Let's say equal to subtotal. I open the bracket. Now you can see there are multiple options coming up here. I'm going to show you some in this video, but on the similar logic you can apply other formulas also: average, count, counta, mean, max, because all these concepts are or formulas are already covered. So I'm assuming that now you are very well versed with these formulas. So I type 9 for sum, then I comma, and then I select the range, close the bracket, enter. I copy and paste this formula in these two cells, quantity and unit price, comma, and then I remove the decimal places. Then in the cell above, I'm also going to apply some formulas so that you will understand better what I am trying to show today. So equal to, then sum, then I select the range, close the bracket, then I copy and paste the formula in another two cells. Now in the previous video we have learned how to apply filter also. Now let's say I want to see for, let's say, electronics category. Before that you can see uh, that in this entire table how much is the quantity sold for all the products, all the regions, all the customers, and in all the categories. Then sum of unit price, and then total sales. So for sum of unit price, maybe we don't need some formula, because it won't be an apple to apple comparison between various products. So let me just delete this. But now let's see let's say I want to see what was my quantity sold in, let's say, electronics category, and what was my total sale value in electronics category. So now I open the filter, select electronics. Now as you can see, the value in these two cells where we had applied a subtotal formula has changed, but the sum formula has remained unchanged. Let me do it for, let's say, furniture. Now you can see again the value is changing. Let's say I want to see region wise, so let's say north region, what was my sale and what is the quantity sold. So let me open the filter. So guys, this was the primary difference between sum formula and subtotal formula. So subtotal formula is kind of dynamic. It changes its range based on the filter applied, and that is not the case with sum. In sum formula, sum of entire range it's displayed, but in subtotal formula it changes as per the range selected. So that's all about subtotal formula. Thank you for watching the video.